This is an Ariston washing machine, purchased on the 4th of the 8th, 2009 from Rockhampton North, Harvey Norman. The machine was less than 2 years old when I noticed this blistering effect was happening. This blistering is rust. The machine was purchased because we were told it was a good machine and very water efficient. I have spoken to a representative of the company, a Mr. Michael Hall, and he tells me that rust is not covered by warranty. I myself feel that it should be, because the machine is less than 2 years old when the rust was discovered, and it is clearly a manufacturing defect or substandard material has been used. The cost was $2,000. I have been offered by the company a replacement cabinet if I pay $100 plus GST and delivery costs, and then I have to pay for someone to come in and put the washing machine back together again. This is the only solution they have offered me.